Yeah. Shit off the dome. Only time to tell, bitch, nigga. If I go to heaven, nigga, I don't believe in motherfucking hell. So on this motherfucking earth I dwell, nigga. I ain't in no emotions coming through this motherfucker, nigga. Yeah, I'm floating on a motherfucking natural motherfucking high. Anybody try to bring me down, probably gon' die, motherfucker. Yeah, I let all bullshit fly. Get the fuck on, nigga. Look you right in your eye while you talking shit. Yeah, nigga, don't even kill you. Yeah, knowing damn well, nigga, blood will spill. If I was the same motherfucker, nigga, from back in the day, you have a whole lot of hoes, nigga, in your face. So when you're laying down night, taking that motherfucking pipe, pray, nigga, and be thankful, bitch. Hey, yeah, that I done growed up, bitch. It's the time and the place. Hey, bitch, to empty the clip, and now I understand that shit. Bitch, street credit ain't gave me shit, but a whole lot of hard times, nigga. Locked up behind that brick, cold in the winter, hot in the motherfucking summer. Man, I'm telling y'all, it's a bummer. Yeah, slowing the money down, could've been riding Hummer. Nah, I'm stuck in the trenches, that's alright, nigga. I love no bitches. Gang. I want a queen. Yeah, to represent this king. I want a queen to pass me that thing. Ride down on them pussy niggas. Yeah, y'all know y'all fucked up, nigga. Y'all was fucking with a killer. I've been in retirement so long, y'all thought I was gone. The next thing you know, animal in your home, and that's a motherfucking bloody zone, murder motherfucking crime scene. Yeah, bitch. Oh, yeah, like y'all forgot, I'm the motherfucker around this motherfucking nigga. Murder was the plot. Fuck the motherfucking case. I fucked up and didn't shoot them in their face. I fucked up and let them testify. I fucked up, nah, I throw my hands up and ask for forgiveness. Cause I was living like a demon, and I wasn't being what the fuck I supposed to be. A motherfucking king out here on these motherfucking streets.